Have you heard about the largest privately owned luxury train company in the world? If not, stay tuned because I want to share this amazing opportunity that all of you can take and that I am dying to do myself. So stay tuned. So if you're interested, stay tuned because I'm about to share with you a great vacation idea that I recently discovered and I'm super excited about it. Let's start out with the Rocky Mountaineer luxury train. With this train, you have different routes that you can take. So typically they either start around Vancouver area or Banff or Jasper, and you can choose the routes that you want to take. The ride can be between 2 days, 3 days, even longer. You can circle around the entire Rockies, which could take a few additional days. However, if you're new to all of this and you want to experience a luxury train ride, definitely at least do the 2-day train ride. Now, you don't actually sleep on the luxury train. You actually just stay during the day on the train. You're served an amazing gourmet breakfast when you get on board. And what's really neat is they have French chefs on these trains that are making this amazing gourmet cuisine, right? And at lunch, you also have an amazing dish, an amazing gourmet meal. Throughout the day, you have snacks, you have all you can drink, wine, beer, soft drinks, and so forth. Not to mention, there is an outdoor platform where you can stand if you're wanting to take in all the scenery or if you want to take pictures. Someone like me, I love photography, so that would be probably where I would stay for the entire duration of the trip. So that is definitely something you should consider if you're interested in nature and wildlife and enjoying such beauty that is really hard to find in most parts of the world, at least where I live, in Texas. So what's really nice about this luxury train ride is that you're not even sleeping on the train. So you have the comfort in the evenings at the hotel that you select, or actually the Rocky Mountaineer company selects, and you arrive to your hotel room and your luggage is already in the room because Rocky Mountaineer takes care of that process for you. You don't even have to check in, you just go to your room. So imagine this first class service. So definitely put this down on your bucket list. So my idea for an upcoming vacation is to actually fly into Calgary in Canada, and then from Calgary, I would drive down, take a rental car and go to Banff. Spend a few days at the Banff National Park, go to Lake Louise, then take my rental car through the Icefields Parkway up to Jasper. I hear that drive is extremely scenic. It's once in a lifetime. So definitely take that ride from the Lake Louise area to Jasper and enjoy the beautiful mountains surrounding you because it is epic. And it takes about 3 hours. It could take more if you want to stop along the way and watch the the black bears, or whatever other animals you might find, wildlife or scenery, especially if you're a photographer, great opportunity for you. So that is definitely an option that I was thinking of. And then you're gonna wanna spend a few days, at least 1 or 2 days in Jasper because they have the amazing Glacier Express ride. And so with this glacier vehicle, you can actually go and tour one of the glaciers at the park, and then it'll take you to the skywalk that is really interesting. I don't know if I would have the courage to do it, but you're literally on this glass platform overlooking a cliff. So you just see the mountains around you and you're overlooking everything. I bet it is just amazing. The pictures look amazing. So from Jasper, after spending about 1 or 2 days, I would then take the luxury train ride from Jasper to Vancouver, and then from Vancouver, I would come back to my hometown. Now, with the luxury train ride, I did fail to mention there are 2 levels of service. There's the Silver Leaf, which is a little bit more basic. You still have the all you can eat, all you can drink gourmet meals, but you have those in front of you, kind of like in the airplane where you pull out your tray. That will happen in front of you. Now you still have the luxury of the leg room and the view, but Gold Leaf takes it to a whole nother level. You spend a little bit more money, but the value and the experience is just this much more. I mean, you have the outdoor platform. Downstairs, you have a dining area. Upstairs is basically where you hang out for the duration of the trip, unless you want to go downstairs to the platform outside. So you have more options, and you have the huge dome windows. So definitely some food for thought for you guys, but I am definitely excited about taking this adventure. So if you're interested and want more details, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to get you a free quote. I can customize a trip for you. I can help you if you're wanting to stay a few days in Vancouver, or maybe take an Alaskan cruise after your adventure, or maybe you want to explore and do some tours in Banff. I can help you with that as well. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, tap the bell below so that you will be notified of upcoming videos.